The honorable student, you are welcome to class again. In this class, capital budgeting is our watchword. And we are starting by asking ourselves what we mean by capital budgeting. Capital budgeting, according to what you are looking at on your screen, is a process a business undertakes to evaluate potential major projects or investment. So, construction of a known plant or a big investment is an outside venture with a sample of projects that will require capital budgeting before they are actually approved. That is what we mean by capital budgeting. Now, what is our understanding regarding this concept? Ideally, businesses will pursue any or all projects and opportunity that enhance shareholders' values and profit. However, because the amount of capital or money any business has available for new projects is always limited, you never have enough. Because of this limitation on the capital available to the business, management use capital